When I finally realized that I did need hearing aids, my wife was pushing me. She knew I had some problems. I went to Costco, which seemed like a good move, and it is less expensive than other places, but ultimately I felt kind of adrift with Costco. Now, I think they're probably fine, but there wasn't continuity with the people I saw there. And looking back on everything, I know that I didn't get a proper grounding in a variety of things. How best to set the earpieces, how to clean the earpieces. I felt like a kid who hadn't quite got the message. So I wasn't really happy. I wasn't really sure what to do. I wasn't sure what kind of results I was getting from the hearing aid. It's hard to tell because my hearing loss is not profound. But I didn't really want to go back to Costco. I knew that sort of in my heart. And I did have a problem at that point. My earpieces were not functional. And I was pretty sure it was either a real problem or it was a wax problem. So I didn't really know what to do. Sort of researched a bit and saw a number of the names of clinics in West Van and North Van. And sort of randomly, I chose here at home and decided, okay, I'll go and see them. I went in and I said, I'm not sure what's wrong. Can you help me even though I'm not a client? Well, they were great. They took about an hour, fixed the earpiece, it was wax, and not only offered me some really good sort of hands-on education about cleaning and other sort of technical aspects, and they put me in contact with a couple of video links which would have helped me sort of improve the knowledge that I had. So not only did they solve my problem, even though I wasn't their client at that point, they were incredibly warm, incredibly helpful, and not only that, they gave me a cappuccino at the end. So some weeks later, sort of drifting along, I thought, okay, I know that there are new developments in hearing aids. Let me check them out here at home. And that's what led me there. And I'm glad that I arrived. And I'm glad that what I ended up with were the latest earpieces with the latest technology. And again, my time with them was extremely pleasant and the people were very helpful. I know the names of the 3 people in the office, Jennifer and Holly and Maya, and there are some more, but they just filled me in a way that made me feel considerably more competent. That's why I went to them when I finally decided. There's no question that I would recommend them. I absolutely would recommend them. And in fact, I was down at the beach near where we live talking to someone else who had just acquired her hearing aids, and I told them about Here at Home, and she said, oh, I know those people. They're really nice. I know Jennifer. So that was interesting. So that's my first word of mouth. And then the impression I got is that this person in particular had a really positive feeling about the clinic. Another reason why I really suggest being involved with this clinic is that, let's say, this old body of mine, 81 years, in a few years is incapacitated. Well, Costco isn't going to come and visit me at my house, but I know that Here at Home will definitely come. They've got a mobile operation. So I give them 100%, 5 stars. I'm actually delighted. And there's one more thing. They offer a cappuccino.